Welcome back! In this video, we're going to create a standard WordPress theme structure with PineGrow. In the previous video, we saw that the page is semantically organized into header, main, and footer sections. To automatically generate the header.php and the footer.php templates and conform to the WordPress theme guidelines, we assigned the site content action to the main element. Everything in the document that comes before the content of the main will be the header.php, and everything after it will be the footer.php. Save our theme and export it. In the theme folder, we find the results of the export, which now includes an index.php and two new files, header.php and footer.php.